Smoothies, your fast track to a delicious and healthy lifestyle. Hey everyone, let's talk smoothies. They're like the superheroes of the food world, quick, easy, and packed with goodness. We all know eating healthy is important, but sometimes who has the time? That's where smoothies come in. They're a fantastic way to get your daily dose of fruits, veggies, and other healthy stuff, all in one delicious gulp. Think of smoothies as your secret weapon for a healthier you. They're perfect for busy mornings, post-workout boosts, or anytime you need a nutritious pick-me-up. Plus, they're incredibly versatile. You can toss in your favorite ingredients and create endless flavor combinations. Get ready to blend your way to a healthier and happier you. Smoothie secrets: picking the right ingredients and blending like a pro. Okay, let's get down to business. Choosing the right ingredients is key to a killer smoothie. First up, fruits. They add natural sweetness and tons of vitamins. Think berries, bananas, mangoes. The possibilities are endless. Next, veggies. Don't worry, they won't taste like a salad. Spinach, kale, and even carrots blend in beautifully and boost the nutritional value. For a creamy texture, add some yogurt or avocado. Finally, don't forget liquids. Water, milk, or juice work great. Now for the blending magic. Start with liquids at the bottom, then add softer ingredients, and finally, the leafy greens. Blend on low speed first, then crank it up high until smooth. And remember, taste as you go. You can always adjust the sweetness or add more liquid if needed. Green Detox Smoothie. A refreshing recharge for your body. Feeling sluggish? Need a quick pick-me-up that's both delicious and nutritious? This green detox smoothie is here to the rescue. It's not just a drink, it's a revitalizing experience in a glass. It's like a mini vacation for your insides, packed with leafy greens, tangy fruits, and a hint of ginger for a zingy kick. Imagine the refreshing taste of fresh spinach, the sweet and tangy burst of pineapple, and the invigorating spice of ginger all coming together in one delightful blend. Ingredients: 1 cup spinach, washed, half cup pineapple chunks, half cucumber, roughly chopped. These ingredients are not only tasty, but also packed with essential nutrients. Half green apple, cored and chopped. The green apple adds a crisp, tart flavor that perfectly balances the sweetness of the pineapple. Half-inch ginger, peeled and grated, half cup water. Ginger adds a spicy warmth that not only enhances the flavor, but also boosts your metabolism. Instructions: combine all ingredients in a blender. Make sure to blend them thoroughly to get a smooth, creamy texture. Blend until smooth and creamy. The blending process ensures that all the nutrients are well mixed, giving you a consistent taste in every sip. Pour into a glass and enjoy immediately. For an extra touch, garnish with a pineapple wedge and a sprig of mint. This smoothie is bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's a powerhouse of nutrition that supports your overall health. Spinach is a nutritional powerhouse, providing iron, vitamins A and C, and folate. These nutrients are essential for maintaining healthy skin, boosting your immune system, and keeping your energy levels up. Pineapple adds a dose of vitamin C and bromelain, an enzyme that aids digestion. This tropical fruit not only enhances the flavor, but also helps your body break down proteins more efficiently. Cucumber and ginger are natural detoxifiers, helping to flush out toxins. Cucumber is hydrating and soothing, while ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce muscle pain and soreness. This smoothie is a delicious way to revitalize your body from the inside out. Whether you're starting your day or need an afternoon boost, this green detox smoothie is the perfect choice. Enjoy the refreshing taste and the incredible health benefits with every sip. Cheers to a healthier, happier you. Berry Protein Smoothie, a power-packed treat for muscles and taste buds. Calling all fitness enthusiasts and anyone looking for a protein boost. Whether you're hitting the gym, going for a run, or simply need a nutritious snack, this smoothie is perfect for you. This Berry Protein Smoothie is about to become your new best friend. It's not just delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. It's loaded with protein, antioxidants, and a symphony of berrylicious flavors. Imagine the burst of strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries in every sip. To make this smoothie, you'll need 1 cup of mixed berries. You can use strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, or any combination you like. Next, add 1 scoop of protein powder. You can choose vanilla or berry flavor, depending on your preference. Then add half a cup of Greek yogurt. This not only adds creaminess, but also boosts the protein content. Pour in a 1/4 cup of almond milk. This makes the smoothie smooth and easy to blend. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Now let's put it all together. Combine all the ingredients in a blender. Blend until smooth and creamy. Make sure there are no lumps and everything is well mixed. Pour the smoothie into a glass and enjoy immediately. It's best served fresh to get the maximum nutrients. This smoothie is a protein powerhouse, thanks to the protein powder and Greek yogurt. Each ingredient plays a crucial role in making this drink both tasty and beneficial. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, especially after a workout. It helps in muscle recovery and growth. Berries are loaded with antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage. They also add a natural sweetness to the smoothie. Chia seeds provide a boost of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. They help in digestion and keep you feeling full longer. So the next time you need a quick, nutritious and delicious treat, whip up this berry protein smoothie. Your muscles and taste buds will thank you. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is all about balance. Enjoy this smoothie as part of your balanced diet and active routine. Cheers to good health. Tropical Energy Smoothie, your go-to blend for a tropical escape. Need an instant vacation? Imagine yourself on a serene beach, the sun rising over the horizon, and the sound of gentle waves lapping at the shore. This smoothie is your ticket to that tropical paradise. This Tropical Energy Smoothie will transport you to a beach paradise with every sip. It's not just a drink, it's an experience, a mini vacation in a glass. Perfect for those moments when you need a quick escape from the daily grind. It's like sunshine in a glass, bursting with tropical flavors and energy-boosting ingredients. The vibrant colors and refreshing taste will invigorate your senses and lift your spirits. Let's dive into the ingredients that make this smoothie so special. First, we have 1 cup of mango chunks. Mangoes are not only delicious, but also packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Next, we add half a banana. Bananas are great for adding natural sweetness and creaminess to the smoothie. Then, we include a 1/4 cup of pineapple chunks. Pineapple adds a tangy sweetness and is rich in vitamin C, which is essential for a healthy immune system. For a creamy texture and a hint of tropical flavor, we add a 1/4 cup of coconut milk. Coconut milk is a fantastic source of healthy fats and electrolytes, which help keep you hydrated. To enhance the tropical vibe, we pour in a 1/4 cup of orange juice. Orange juice is not only refreshing, but also provides a boost of vitamin C and potassium, an electrolyte that helps regulate fluid balance in your body. Finally, we add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory spice known for its numerous health benefits, including boosting your immune system and reducing inflammation. Now let's put it all together. 1. Combine all the ingredients in a blender. Make sure to use a high-speed blender to get a smooth consistency. 2. Blend until smooth and creamy. This step is crucial to ensure that all the flavors meld together perfectly, creating a harmonious blend of tropical goodness. 3. Pour into a glass and enjoy immediately. The vibrant colors and refreshing taste will make you feel like you're on a tropical vacation, even if you're just at home. Mango and pineapple are excellent sources of vitamin C and A, which are essential for maintaining healthy skin and a strong immune system. The natural sweetness of these fruits also means you don't need to add any extra sugar. Orange juice provides a boost of vitamin C and potassium, an electrolyte that helps regulate fluid balance. It's also great for giving you a quick energy boost, making this smoothie perfect for a morning pick-me-up. Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory, known for its numerous health benefits. Adding just a small amount to your smoothie can help reduce inflammation and improve your overall health. This smoothie is the perfect way to start your day or refuel after a long day. Whether you're enjoying it as a quick breakfast, a post-workout snack, or a refreshing treat on a hot day, this Tropical Energy Smoothie is sure to become your go-to blend for a tropical escape.